While Echinacea is most popular today for its ability to help with colds and the flu, where Echinacea really shines is in its ability to help the body fight off bacterial infections. I think this Echinacea benefit is so underrated. One of my favorite ways to work with Echinacea is for people with recurring boils, acne, or other types of skin abscesses. For best results, work with the herb both internally and externally. An in vitro study concluded that an Echinacea purpurea could provide a safe twofold benefit to acne individuals by inhibiting proliferation of the organism and reversing the bacterial-induced inflammation. Long known as the toothache plant, Echinacea tea or diluted tincture can be swished in the mouth frequently to address tooth infections or ulcerations of the oral mucous membranes. A pilot study showed that an oral patch containing Echinacea purpurea, gotu kola, and elderberry was effective in reducing inflammation associated with gingivitis. Herbalists regularly use Echinacea as part of a formula for addressing urinary tract infections. Infected wounds and scrapes also do well with Echinacea, again using the herb both internally and externally. Eclectic herbalists used Echinacea for many other types of infections, including syphilis, chronic leg ulcers, gonorrhea, rabid dog bites, and septicemia. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.